ka jing pen ngor ka bakam tinge halor ka jing ya bian jang kali ki pulet ka Riboy district hapo ka jing lam u senior superintendent of police u VS Rathor ringkat u deputy commissioner ka district Wabilash Baranwa but u district transport officer u ba e Karman kila hiar madan menta ka janmit ban pelong ya ka jing klasi padba hasurok ba nongpo ban lap ya ki ba pen ken ki kendon kum ki ba nya klem pong helmet ni seat belt ki ba klem pen biang ye ki kot ki slak kali ki ba nya naka jaka bamde ki ba pen stat palat put ki ba nya hapedeng ke jingbu at kiat ki ba pen dat yet yong ne ki tiar ba bean ke jingpet ngor ba talasi las dang na do kapor sau beje jan miet bat shim la le tang hanong po henry hakeleng ke district kum ha umyam Kapmara, Sning, Bernihan, bat ki wede ki jaka. Kene ka jing talasi ka day kum ka jing pen kan mau ki pat ba haba ki mi surong ki day ban board iki an bat kendon ya kali ban lat ne ki jing ja ba ngosi ha ki surang.
चलिए गाड़ी का पेपर लाओ तो example को प्लस तो पे कने नॉर्मल लाइट अपन कला को न पे कने कला कला रंग सिस्टम सुनल गने पे अब अपन नहीं गिला दिन एक्सीडेंट को नो पे Kalau cakap kan normal light nak bodoh halogen.
Yano tanga DC sir donga aro SP sir donga aro district administration aro police ni kita ansang jerangan ya ramauri enga chum gari rang warang jerangan violate ka enga diam rang ko pe mungna jerangan enga chum ba churunge habi jabi ke mungna ramarang jerangan oya jake gari salenga chum warang ko tanga ni rokna kata ya administration kita ni roknya aro je akode mamung sorok rango asel ongchana kata ba mamung accident ni koborang dongjana kata public rangness je akode name ramarang je akode name na mangi chum kita singai no ni roknya aro jeba ino ramao degen chum
jong gadi ki ngi betas ngi la dan lang bati di SP bari DC men check igi driver ki bomdan license bati kali ki ba bu ki batait yong ki bomdeng seat belt ki bomdeng helmet ngi la check lo dia kata ngin nang ni sakmat ngin nang check man la ki por but ai kuble kamtam e baro baki la tray lang benkat ban check gini ki violation ba niki kali banyak kali sangat kerja department jongi ngini ai check man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini kisni bun haki accident kija layap ki bril bun ba yap accident ni nak kata kadau ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking
Sir, nomor berapa tu?
Jingsang nakaliang ko office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test tang ba ya kan ni banyak damit ngim jingsang ju le hi ban test ni banyak kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ni ya ken mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mde ban pen me ki high beam pornya kali damit nang ba tu bawan nakawi ka site katabak mat umui ba bunsin din nakata daw sa jaga accident me jingsha ketui ki ba apply license bakin one hida ladi mde ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya bet ka kam jongki
Day before yesterday also you guys were here. So there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one-time affair. It should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that. Our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkhama, Khanapad.
Police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, I mean, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, I mean, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives. So what we are observing is that the violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.